Hey, I am Swayam this side and I am currently studying in 12th grade at IIT Ashram. It goes without saying that without IIT Ashram, I would not have been able to enhance and build myself way better in approaching things. The teachers here I have been very cooperative and friendly. As and when required, they get the necessary backup and doubt session conducted for students. Also, in these tough times of global pandemic, frequent online regular classes have been conducted. Moreover, offline and both online tests have been conducted to analyze my academic performance. I have been associated with IIT Ashram for the last 3 years and it has never let me down. I had a great experience till now and I wish the same in future. Thank you.